Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Robina Barlaan Priones from Victoria, Tarlac, Philippines. I'm 39 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are singing, dancing, cooking, and reading. I have a live-in partner with 2 children, ages 15 years old and 2 years old. I have 5 sisters and I'm a 4th child in the family. I work in Riyadh, Saudi as a housemaid experience for 2 years and 4 months. I have served with 7 members of the family, 4 adults, 2 children, and 1 baby. My duties are taking care of the kids, preparing and cooking the meal, washing dishes, cleaning the house, doing the laundry, ironing, and many more. I'd like to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family needs and my children's future. And the salary is higher than in the Philippines. To my future employer, please hire me because I am trustworthy, loyal, kindness, and hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.